Government to launch e-passports in next 6 months. Recently, Foreign Secretary Dr. Asaf Saeed informed that the new age e-chip passport is likely to be launched by the end of the year 2022 or by the first week of January 2023. It will provide security upgrade of Indian passport and enable machine reading. The e-passports comprise of a microchip with secure biometric data. Chip of an e-passport usually contain biometric information of the holder. Such passports are digitally secured, in a bid to prevent unauthorized reading of data stored on the chip. India's largest software exporter, TCS, is likely to bring in technology for e-passports. All security aspects, including strategic assets like database, data centers, and application software, will also be owned by government. The PSPV 2.0 provides for rolling out of microchip-embedded e-passports. The PSPV 2.0 will ensure a digital ecosystem, improve citizen interface,